Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Mixing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be diving in another secret websites where you can sell your art and designs, because this is a series that we make each and every week talking about the various print on demand websites, the websites where you can sell your work and art and can make more money online depending on your unique situation and abilities. One of these would be applicable to you or maybe not depending on your situation, but each week we talk about the different new websites where you can get the amazing opportunity to start selling your work and making more money online. So let's dive in. Before going part, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be getting notified about it. Also we have the bunch of the free resources, a link on the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section. It contains a full commercial license, you can use it, and these all resources will going to help you make more money online. Now let's dive in with this today's website and what's unique about this website and how you can utilize it to make. And also guys, we are starting with our unique email newsletter, that is the exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. And in that email newsletter that will going to be coming in your email inbox each and every week will be coming containing amazing print on demand tips and tricks, how to sell your work, making money online, different kinds of tools, and all those things to help you make more money as a print on demand seller, as an artist, as a designer, whatever it is. So just subscribe to the waitlist to get that exclusive email newsletter. The link is in the description box below and it's completely free. Everyone can join it. It's completely free. Okay, 100% free. You can just join the waitlist and I'm going to be sending you an email when I'm going to be starting with that exclusive email newsletter. So the link is in the description box below. Do subscribe to it. Let's talk about today's website and what's unique about it. Without further ado, and let me just give you phrase and all, today's website is Rage Custom. Like you can call it as a RAGECUSTOM. That could be a Rage or Raje, whatever it is. I don't know what's the way to pronounce it, but I will leave the link of that website in the description box below. You can very well check it out. So on the very first page itself, you're going to see a designer tool, the swift design, add text, the layers and colors where you can design your product and all. So that's the first product there you'll see. So you can very well check it out, and they have their choosing sizing options, standard size chart, multiple different things related to April that's custom made to your exact requirements. Thanks to modern printing, cutting and rapid prototyping techniques, we can offer fully customized made to measure apparel with no minimum and at a regular brand level prices. Your custom order is delivered within 15 days or less anywhere in the world. Okay. So they have the designer tool on their platform. You need to learn them if you want to get started with that. I mean, it's not a rocket science. Anyone can do it. This material and fit. This is 100% polyester interlock 220 GSM. Shirt is suitable for running more sports and casual everyday use. Regular fit for comfortable range of motion. So this is the material fit and type of the material they are using. That's a 100% polyester. Made to measure, so you design the look, now get the perfect fit. Introducing made to measure apparel that is custom made to your exact measurements. So that is unique. Like one of the major factor why the customer actually replace or exchanges the product or even return the product because of their size. Like if you are selling the apparels, the clothing, like the t-shirts or the different kinds of clothing, the people do return or exchange them because of the size. They feel like their size is not according to that particular product, and then they return it, exchange it. So we obviously need to avoid as much as we can. So that is the good thing about this website, that made to measure, so that there would be very less likely to get the returns and cancellations and exchanges. Now special features: non-fading, breathable and quick drying, pixel perfect dye, sublimation means no smudges, white gaps or blurs over seams, armpits and near the edges. Care instruction: machine wash inside out with cold water, jumble dry on low heat or line dry. Order in the bulk, that's also amazing. If you are a retailer or regular bulk buyer, visit our bulk ordering page for more. Our on-demand manufacturing processes allow us to offer you a unique buying experience and options that you haven't had before. So that's a bunch of the frequently asked questions. Very well, you can ask about your different products, return, exchanges, orders and all that. So they have best place to get custom made sporting goods for yourself, your club or team at Rage Custom. You get to buy sports equipment which represents who you are and what your stand. So one of the major unique point about this website is it's selling most of the product as a sports person. Like if you are starting with any sports company or any sports merchandise, then very well this website is exactly for you, because they are using only those kind of products which are related to the sports. So this is a unique thing about this website, catering to the sports people or the sports brand and all those kind of stuff. Now so the products that you can sell by this website is apparels, the men and women both, the shorts and pants, the compression, hoodies and sweatshirts, jackets and uppers, tops and t-shirts, track suits. I think the same thing applies a little bit to different lowers and leggings, jackets, skirts and dresses, tops and t-shirts, trousers and ties for the women. Then you can very well check out the made to measure. Then they also have the equipment, which is amazing. Like if you are starting with building up your brand as a sports brand and you want to sell the equipment related to the sports, then this website is exactly for you. It's a unique thing about this website. I think none other print-on-demand website have this unique thing, because they are especially focusing on the sports. So the equipment they have is the field hockey. So they have the ball, sticks, and goes into all those things. Then they have the cricket, the football, the soccer, the paddle, the rugby, the volleyball. So they have the equipment for all these sports. Now I'm not gonna go detail into these sports and what are the equipment, because guys, I rarely watch the sports. I just watch these sports Olympic, like Olympic is right now, was there like in the Tokyo. So I just watch these short sports like the swimming and racing and all those kind of stuff. I rarely watch the cricket, hockey and all those. I do watch at times the football, the soccer, but that's also very rare. So I won't be going into detail about that, what are the equipments, and you can very well check out this website. I'm going to leave them in the description box below for you. Now they also have the extras products, which contains the accessories, bags, headwear and so on and so forth. So this is the unique thing about this website, that you can sell the print-on-demand hockey sticks, print-on-demand cricket stuff, print-on-demand the different kinds of sports equipment. If you are building up your sports brand and you want to sell the sports equipment, then this website is exactly for you. Do look at this website and start with that. So let's talk about selling your designs on this website. Now this is unique thing I want to cover over here, guys. Become our design partner and share in the profits. At Rage Custom, we want to offer our customers the most beautifully designed and highest quality products at unmatched level of convenience. And while we invest in the technology to make it all happen, we want to open up our platform to select few that can add more diversity, creativity and originality. And we believe that you could be part of that select few. So discover new canvases for your creations and earn up to 20% commission on each sale. Unlike other platform out there where anyone can submit designs, our platform is invite only. So this is the unique thing about this website, that you can sell the print-on-demand products on this website. Kind of like a marketplace, you can call it. So you print-on-demand products on like Redbubble, Teepublic. It's kind of like a marketplace, although they also have the wholesale offers. Like you can order the products in the bulk. They also have the wholesale stuff. They also have the drop shipping option. But if you are just a print-on-demand seller, artist, designer, want to sell on their platform, then you can very well do that. They have the invite only option. For everyone, you need to actually submit your talk about in detail. So yes, we want a lot of design choices for our customers, but what we don't want is cluttering up our product categories unnecessarily. Valuing partners, opening up the floodgates can be unfair to really good designers who want to buckle down and invest in the platform for long haul. Exciting products. Working with us is going to be a more involved process because of the nature variety of our products, but we promise it's going to be worth it. To send them, there is a form on this page. I'm going to leave in the description box below. Now you just need to add your name, email, then confirm email. Tell us about your experience in designing. You need to send them your portfolio links, your links to your shop where you're selling currently, and you need to attach some files if you want to, and then submit it. So they're going to review your application, and then if they see that your work is kind of like related to their platform, then they're going to approve you, and then you can start selling your print-on-demand products on their website and can make 20% commission on each and every sale, which is pretty amazing, guys. So it's amazing, guys. You can very well look for this website with your own brand of sports brand. Then very well you can go with the print-on-demand products on this website, and you can order in bulk and can get the discount from that. And if you want to sell as a print-on-demand seller, as an artist designer, then you can very well apply as an invitation link, and then once they approve you, then you're allowed to sell the products on their website. So I think it's the unique thing about this website because they're completely focusing on the sports products, the equipment, the apparels and accessories according to it. So hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this website. Are you going to sell on this website? Are you going to apply for the invite only? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.